Welcome, today in front of me Google Pixel 6a and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll try to unlock the device with my fingerprint and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the fingerprint scanner works here so fast. We just can unlock the device less than 1 second. This is the really good result. Just to unlock it, you should hold for a while this the fingerprint scanner, because if you'll just make it but with a simple touch, you just have no chance to unlock it. So I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcodes or pin codes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.